for this CIT 101 class, when you are logging to Canvas, you will see, look your screen starting look like this. On the left hand side, there are some important things you need to pay attention. The pay attention thing is your grade. You use a grade to check your how many points you receive already. And this class is a point system. It's not percentage. So you need to ignore all the percentage. Check grade. At the end of semester, you need to try to make yourself to 3,400 is a full point. You try to do as much as to that point. All right, you also need to check the syllabus that go to your syllabus. And module, okay, so let me use the student view, okay? So that way you see better, sorry. So let me use the student view. As a student, you get in from here, okay? You use your grade to check how many points you have it. And this class is a point system. When you finish it's 3,400 points. Of course, there are some extra credit right here. From the syllabus, you download your syllabus and your assignment assignment schedule. And there's a net tutor. Net tutor is available from Monday to Thursday. Sunday to Thursday. 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So if you visit NetTutor, and has a screenshot for that, I'll give you 5 points each time. So let's get used to, let's try to take advantage for that, because that's a good, it's a very, very good resource for students, especially in distant education like this right now. And the people, that's all the students here. We are going to change all your profile so we can see your picture. We don't want to see this type of picture. If picture I cannot see, that's not what I want. I don't want avatar either. Okay, so we are going to change your personal profile. It's 40 points too. Discussion board, sometime I'll put some discussion for you to do it. And you already know you are going to go to use Convert Zoom to get into this class. Okay. Now the most important thing is module. Module is like a digital chapters that contain many chapters. So if I go module, then we get into chapters right now. The extra credit chapter we'll talk about later. The conference Zoom, the recorded video are here, okay? And also right here, we have, TA information, meet teacher, and once again, how to use NetTutor. There's a video to teach you how to do that. We have a mandatory 10 attendance day right here. You need to know what are the mandatory attendance day here, okay? Then we are going to do update Canvas profile today. There's a video I'll ask you to watch later. All right, so now whenever there's CIT 101 class here, we have description, syllabus, and okay, there's a PowerPoint. Okay, now we are coming to here right now. All right, so number one, let's talk about so now once this is digital chapter, so let's take a look the first digital chapter here. The first digital chapter here is important because you click here to go to SAM. Not only that, you use this to create SAM 14 days account, 7 days account. All right, so this is another thing is very important is you have an ebook. You do not need to purchase book, you have ebook. And I repeat this many times right now, so can you please remember the ebook is in the same module. The ebook is inside the same module. So you will use the first ebook and to do your same project. And you will use the second ebook. You will use the second ebook and to do your multiple choices. These are the ebooks. Okay. Now, and that's coming here right now. So I'm going to close this chapter, the module I close. Okay. I'm going to go to your first type of assignment is STEM office project. I also need to answer some question. Some students say, what software do we need? We need Word, Excel, Access, PowerPoint, 4 different software. It's all inside your Office 365. All right, so if you have question, can you hold it until I finish? Okay, Office 365. You need to download this Office 365 from this video. Okay, from this video. All right, if you use Rio Hondo student account, and you can install the Office 365, which is included Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is included. So you can see you need to do Word, you need to do PowerPoint, you need to do Excel, you also need to do Access. But some students have a Chromebook. Chromebook will, you need to download yourself, but Chromebook kind of don't have ability let you do Access. Very few students have Chromebook. If you download from the Office 365 here with the student ID, and there are some students email me say I don't have a Rio Hondo student ID. You need to call administration to get it. You register. You are a Rio Hondo College student. You have a Rio Hondo College student ID. Okay, that you must have. You probably just didn't pay attention. Get some paper out and find out where your student ID. So you need to your student ID to log in and to install the software. Okay, but because COVID-19 time, we want to be easier for you. So if there's some reason your hardware cannot allow you to do Access, then can you do the simulation? Simulation, you receive the same point. You receive the same points like your project right here. You receive the same points, and these are easier like your game. Okay, now we are going to talk about the multiple choice. When these for your Discovery 2018, many students told me that to read the entire book is actually not that helpful. So what you need to do is go to PowerPoint page. And these have all the PowerPoint. So what you need to do is you are going to, let me close this one too. You are download the PowerPoint page. Okay, you download the PowerPoint page. After you download PowerPoint page, then you can click the exam. There are 2 type of exam. Practice text exam. They are 30 points for each one. There's no time limit. You can do as many times as you want. The exam, like a chapter exam, 1 to 3, 4 to 6, 7 to 9, and 10 to 12. This type of exam has a time limit. Time limit is 60 minutes, and you can only do it 2 times. You can only do it 2 times. All right. And the third type of exam is lab. And this lab is also use a Discovery Computer 2018 that book, or you can use the PowerPoint. But this lab is supplementary to your 2018, so not really aligned with the textbook. Instead of being supplementary, so you want to use the tutorial lab to help you to do the lab. So every single lab you have a tutorial lab, and except chapter 4. Chapter 4 is really a multiple choices question. All right. So beside these 3 type of assignment, same office project and multiple choices and lab, you also need to do this. You also need to do edit your profile. You also need to edit your profile. And there's a lab there's a video for that. And also we need to check here. We need to check here right now is we have a mandatory 10 attendance day. That's 100 points, 10 points for each day. So that give you the 3,400 points for this semester. All right. So one more time, here on the left hand side, you use grade to check your points. You use syllabus to download syllabus and assignment schedule. You use module to get into the digital chapters, digital modules. You use NetLab to NetTutor to get the tutor. You use people to see other students. You use discussion and to see the discussion, discussion topic or post discussion topic for people to help each other. You use comfort zoom. And to get into the Zoom class. All right. So that's one more time a brief introduction of this class. And I am going to stop it and see do you have any question about this brief introduction.